Ka jingaki jong kisamla puli jong ka North Eastern Hills University apo jong ka jingalam jong ka North Eastern Hills University Students Union bat ka Khasi Students Union hende kasngi kalakut hadin ban nagaleng upro vice chancellor bat registrar kila pha da jingtho ban pha pan sange no ya ka jingalang hanong ba Delhi ka balakhot da professor P Shukla ka ban long ha ka khat saw tarik naiwing harjar arpusan Samla pulih din bakim pat chai habai day bat kani ke jingalang ka balakod da visi kelami biang man penlong yang jingeki ICSSR NERC Nehu man panjing chai na upro vice chancellor ban keli bahagano karukam kani ke jingalang lakod nagaleng upro vice chancellor laong ba lakod da ka ministry rai ka day lang ba ke jingekren lang ba ka pun ki samla pulih kim pedang bat kelami syakmat man penpa ke jing persya Presiden ke kisi Nehu unit uba Robin Nongram walai tu ba ya kete ke jingelang la pensangeno hadin bak samla puli kedang peteng ya ke jingeki bat nagaleng upro vice chancellor bat registrar kila aisendon na ke jingtho ba la pensange ya kete ke jingelang balkot da vice chancellor
Don't threaten. I am from here. I am from here. No, I have time to write. I have talk. Don't threaten. Don't threaten. Don't threaten. I will be here.
No. 10 minutes, it was more than 10 minutes, so we call you. So nobody's threatening you. Nobody's threatening you, sir.
So I will WhatsApp this letter to the registrar. I'll send it through.
Kumba PI itu notification, kumba kan di notify na itu. Kalian sir. Withdraw no.
A large group already. Yes. A large group of
I got my piece, but you see what I'm saying. I got my piece.
Okay. So, listen. To the registrant, subject calling of Executive Council meeting on 14/11/2025 at New Delhi. Sir, a large group of agitated students of the university has met me to demand a withdrawal of Executive Council meeting that was notified to be held on 14/11/2025 at 2 p.m. at New Delhi based on the telephonic direction received from the Undersecretary, Ministry of Education on the evening of 23rd 10/2025 conveying the decision of the ministry. The students are aggrieved that the letter issued to you was based on verbal instruction from the ministry and not based on written formal communication, and that is against the standing instruction of the ministry, which states that all statutory body meetings have to be held within the main campus of the university, and further that any exception to this must be based on formal approval of the ministry. Despite my request and explanation, the students are unrelenting and not willing to listen. Considering the present volatile situation in the campus and the overall safety and security of all concerned, I hereby instruct you to withdraw the notification, pending formal communication from the ministry for holding the meeting outside the main campus. That is what you want. Kindly attach the copy of this letter to the Vice Chancellor, the Undersecretary of the ministry, and all the executive members along with your notification. You must understand one thing, if I may say the last, I've had enough. I am withdrawing this not because of any other reason, but because I don't want this university, the situation to be volatile like last year and all that. Because in the last few months, we have really tried to bring this university up, okay, and it is going up, so many things are happening. I don't want your exams to be affected because we have already notified. So I'm doing this. I know that I'm not authorized to do this, but I have to do this because there are thousands of you out here. We don't want the situation to be volatile. I don't want you to be affected, your exams and all. Okay, so I'm doing this whether I'm authorized or not, but there is something called, I have to assess the situation here. So I'm doing it because of you, your safety and security. Last year we have had assault cases, so many unfortunate things. We don't want to repeat. My humble request to all of you is that please be peaceful. Let us try to resolve everything amicably. I've also want to say this to you, all of you should know, that the Vice Chancellor had also invited the NEUSU students to have a meeting with him online so that you can tell him why you're against that. But that has not been accepted. So from my side, I've also spoken to the state official of state government of Meghalaya, asking them to intervene. I've also written to them, asking them to intervene. It is not that for the last few days I've just sat quietly. I have to comply with the instruction of the ministry because we need them, we need funding from them. But at the same time, I've also tried to delay it as much as possible. So please, if you want me to go back or go, I'm not going anywhere. I'm from here, so no chance of that. But my point is this: let us build this university together. Let us help us, because otherwise it's going to the drain. Every time this is becoming, people are laughing at us, and unfortunately, I've done my bit. Now, it is for God to intervene. Otherwise, no one can save Nehu. We are becoming like a republic of Nehu. Everything can happen here. Everything can happen here. So, sometimes you have to reflect as students. Please reflect at some point of time. Now
Sir,
you can
thank
do
you
this.
so much, sir,
Yes,
for your
yes,
words.
yes.
Kindly
Yes.
denotify this.
No, I will now
You have
issue.
been you should issue, sir. Like how
No,
how you formally issue the
The-
notification. So from our
The
side, just
registrar
our
will
humble
de-
request is
the
to kindly
registrar-
denotify it, sir.
I instructed the registrar to notify. I have instructed the registrar to denotify. Okay, so I'm sending it over by Noran.
So you told him, or you told just now that you will call the register.
Now, you see, he is from outside. He will see all of you. Why? What are you trying to do? You'll put pressure. I have written.
Sir,
this.
sir, please don't
I
try
have
to bring
written.
this.
No.
Sir, he is the officer of the university. How?
Yeah, he will do.
What,
He can
what
work
is the
from
problem
there.
of
This is-
meeting with
no,
the
no.
students of the university?
He will go from his house and denotify it. What is the problem?
So from our part, it's just you please denotify. You have
He will
said that you have
denotify.
instructed
If you want
that
me-
registrar.
if you
Our
want me-
only humble request is that, sir, this could have
This
been
is-
done last week itself when we went to meet you, sir.
I'll tell you why. it
So
cannot
why
be
do you
done.
want that students will come with
Yes,
this number
see,
of people?
because I
This
have
number,
been
sir.
trying for the
We
last-
were having exams
I've-
at the same time,
I've
sir.
been- I have been
Sir, this
trying-
could have been given to us last week
No, no,
itself.
I've
We
been
would have
trying-
never.
Kerteng juga kadi kerteng juga kadi Ruben Nongrem ngadi na di panu notification ngadi presiden juga ngadi presiden juga ki isu ni unit juga samoi trikam arjar absan arjar penriu te kumba phi layu hi ba kajing ki jongi kelas sedang nadu ni sini habai de ba katuka notification bala pelaj da registrar ling ba jing ai permission provisi habai de ba katuka executive committee ke badi kaba sispa kena pulai kaba kitmu ban pulang teh apa nong ba deli di nyilapoi sya ka bakut nomor ba kini ganti ke pemerintah nak yang provisi dekat registrar gila ai ni kata ka siti lani kata ka notification kaba plat ba ba ya kani ka executive committee ke ban pelong apa nong ba deli ha kani khasau tarik jong ni benai pemerintah kin pensange no te ngisngo ban ai kuble sibun i pat ba ki para samla puli ha kani sekolah ba ki ba don kata ka jengi teli ki bala ai keti kemon kadiang apa ka gunu-gunu ke por ba ka union hi gadon kam harangkat kani husu te ngskwa ban pergan mau khendiat ba habide ba ka jing perlong ye kani jing ki jongi kadi bai lengba ba profesor umdor hi wong hi dalade ba hak tuk singi bang ilek kata kani ka sautrik jong ni benai pemerintah dili gendu yu ngim simlara gi media ndri kai ka ba karai ka bang iyo na profesor umdor kalong baik ba ngihi na kalian juga universiti ngemla ban isu kinu notification hendai ka basngulungo kalong ba ka notification ni kami napo universiti habai dei berkata ka isi ka executive committee bat kumjuru haba ki di notify mentah du bangi haban wara ya baro ki samla pule jongan sekolah ba akan klimat ka mentaru dei na ka universiti hi ka ba ai ya kata ka notification te kai ka ba pensngulungo susu kalong ni ba hot nistu ba ka kai ka ba jia po ka universiti jongi ka dei ling ba ka jingi le akai jong ki katu kan ni ki briu ki bakwan mentoi simet ki ba kwa ban hiar susu ya kerdan jong ke universiti siapo tingis ngo banong ba kai ka bangi sembat kai ka bangi lap nyimla ban priang ban nyinum priang hiru ban nyinyai yele na banta ka hok jong ka skul ba hi beroi khanang ba skul ba hi kan kiu kham sejrong te kumjuru si bentang so banong ba ka tu singi i profesor umdor ka baburom yongi khangno e ka universiti namar balai ba ngisungthu ba ngimla ban pengej ya usukla Hendai kai ka pas ngulungo susu kolong ba menen ke janmit ngiyok man ya ka siti nei profesor umdor yong ba sungo ba pleno ya ka university ya ka administration block te kai ka ba ngi yo sngo kolong ka ba khamlingo susu namar balai ba ipa hi ban khang mentai ipa hi ban ple te ngi sngo ba ka don ka er ka selendat nomor bah hagi ni kisngi baladap kumbang itip i baro bagdai kisngi ki babun hi kisngi syuti nadu kisngi ba balang terter hadu kisngi thodieng te ngisngo banong ba nakaliang jongi kaseng harangkat kan husu bat kumjuru ke jingi karsian jong ki baro ki samla puli ki badan hangani skol ba nginong ba nang ni sekmaru ngin pen i ba ngidon gabor omdei tang ba tang maki ki badon bor ki balaban penyat ling bagi jing tho jing tar ringi pen i yak tak jing teli kum ki samla puli kan skol ba haba ka liang kano siliang ngiru kum keseng rengkat ka ni husu ngin le yak badon kam kenang ba kum kini jing ja kin mora su apok skol ba jungi hendri kin mora de ki weipat ki balaban wara jing mutoi ke skol ba bat kam juru ban wara ke jing hun ya ki samla puli jong skol ba bat kham tam ban kan tiu ka skol ba hi kham sejro
tin pik ndiak na ke ikada ko ba pelong ni pi ka student union ba ki samla pule ba phin pediang ya kane ka meeting ba ka ban salong khasau tre ka dali
hi kat kum kan notification bala pelait na Ministry of Education haus nam arjar arsau arfau terek dengan maklau benai bapra te ngin sa IP ya kata ka notification ngin sa IP ba i press baro ngila dap yo syai bat la tho syai yang tu ba nakaliang ka ministry ko ong ba ki Central University kila ban pelong ki EC meeting within the campus ka bomut hapok campus te hendri ka basngo lengo bat ka basngo pelapat belai ba ya ki EC jong ka nihu ko ba ka campus ka don ba he kat kani ngidon sibun ki office ngidon sibun ki guest house bala ban pelong ki EC hendri belai ban hap bandara sendon sadu sadeli te katai ka pen sngo lingo susu nomor bat kai ka ba sngo kia ka ba nakaliang jong union bat ka ni husu ni yang hang ni kalong bet ba habang ni don kam hapo university ni ju sngo no kapor ba nakaliang i provinsi juut ba ngim don fon wat ya ka inter college cricket tournament ru lahaban pensange nomor belai bang ngim don fon te nei kata ka fon kami habai dei bat kani ka jing pha ikini ki delegation nam ta ka isi hakani khat sau trek
atau PI namang ni pada bawa tu sekolah udeng borong bisi dan mentah po universiti dan tom di uni waktu cebi gini
ya kata tingi ngimla banong ye ring sutu i kidon katuan ni jing le kai apa deng gini ki ba penlong yang kena puli tangkum ki tiar lani kila ban sutu ingi ba let's say la rangi penbet ikini ki samla pule da kanu kelenti kila ndre nomor na kudu kasngi ban kong ngela debio ya keren bari profesor undor dan du ibasimti ya kani ka suki kum provisi yang bangin ya trelang bani indai kata ti kamon namta ki kena puli kani skol ba ndre ka ba kai ka ba ngisngo ban ong ba hakani klimat ba ka jingmi jong kata ka sithi lani ka jingpha ya kata ka notification yang bakawan na ministry ndre ka ba sungulungo ba kumnu kat na ministry ru ka ay ka jingtho sya i profesor undor ibade i provisi berom jangan ke sekolah ba lingba ka phone call tingis ngo banong ba lingba ka phone call hakini ka juk pamata ngimla ban priang nomor ka ministry hi kan pha da ka jitho bat iru i pha da ka jitho su registrar lada dei ba nakaliang ka ministry ka pha da ka lingba ka telefon tingis ngo banong ba i profesor umdor ide ban ong ya u registrar ba un kondok ya kata ba un pha ya notification syaki isi membar baro lingba ka telefon om lingba ka sithi tingis ngo ba kani kamlong kalong ka ba kabam don jengmut hiru nabenta jongi kisamla pule ba nabenta jong ka school ba nabenta jengbit jengbiang jong school ba hi berkowe
hatulah di notify ni apa dia kena notification
hoi akani khilem marba mentai profesor imdor rengkat registrar kila aingi ka taka notification ba kila dep revoke ya kani ka isi ke ban long hak khat sautrik jong benai naiwing arjar arpsan hang tayanong ba delhi ban kli da u profesor Shukla ubri visi jong ka nihu
tekai ka kidon ko kubor ban ong yo profesor ya Profesor Shukla badi wa
khubor ko basai ngi ko aban ong ba kajing sha sitom ngi jongi hagitu gi khat rius ngi kajing ki jongi kajing sha thangan jongi kamdei ka badang tang sipang ri khan rius ngi ngila haban du thia du dam bat kum juru hadu kana klip mat ka deling ba jong Profesor Shukla ubala wara gi jing apo ka skul ba tingis ngo ban ong ba sai sikintin ba dalele ru nginum ailat bangin aili ba Profesor Shukla un khurwat chabi ya kinu ki profesor leni kinu hikai leni kinu ki staff ki badon hapo kan skol ba bakin long tang kita ki nong yarap jongu ndringin ong dak basai ba ngihi nginum ailat bat ngin yai persang la ibor beret ban tre sitom bat ban wara ka jingsuk hapo skol ba ndrei bangin kan tai si sendon ni ka jing don kiti jong uni u Profesor Shukla